Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Shein and signing in. This ensures saved orders and payment history sync. Once signed in, go to Profile, then Account Settings, then Payment Methods. That path leads you directly to stored options. Make sure your new card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address are at hand because you will enter them next. Doing this now speeds the process and prevents failed validation when you add or replace a payment method. You'll now add or edit a payment method by selecting Add Payment or tapping an existing card to edit. This is where precision matters. For cards, type the number, expiry, and CVV exactly and select the saved billing address to avoid mismatches. If linking PayPal, follow the PayPal sign-in and authorize Shein. Once submitted, expect an SMS or OTP verification step. Complete that verification to confirm the method and prevent declines on checkout. Finish by setting your new method as default so checkouts pick it automatically. Tap the three dots or Set as default option. If you no longer use an old card, remove it to avoid accidental use. If a payment is declined, double-check CVV, billing address, and that the card is activated and authorized for online purchases. Contact your bank for holds. If problems persist, try removing and re-adding the method or use PayPal as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.